because her worms, they had to they took them all out of her. She named them all, and she knew them by name. All of them. See, I have it.
And there's like a hole in her forearm. What have we done?
Yeah, and she was scared. She couldn't have her worms. Yeah, she was like screaming.
In the emergency room, appearances are often deceiving. Dr. Andrew Castello, looking past the obvious can mean the difference between
Manny, do your ABCs again.
or dies.
No, not yet.
Are you? You're not gonna throw up.
Always trust what my eyes are showing me, and not always trust what the patients tell me, and always to think the worst. I look up from my desk and I see this kid stealing into the ER with his dad behind him. And he looks like he's drunk. I mean, he's managing to put one foot in front of the other, but he's definitely steady. The first thing I thought is that he's out drinking.
22-year-old Jerry Hammond was forced to come to the ER when his father noticed bleeding from his ear.
Hey, can you get maintenance to clean this one up? And I noticed that there's a trail of blood behind him. The nurse has to see him, they just smuggled him right through the door. Hey, Dr. Castello, how you doing? Fine. Sure, hey, what happened?
Next. You speak with me.
Mally, why are you barking? Mally. Mally.